Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Hi, buddy. Oh no, I just realized this got crushed. Sad day. My painting crushed it. Well, that's that for that. I don't know if this is gonna stay, but I hope so. Okay. I don't know. I think that's good enough for now. As you can probably tell already, my life is anything but polished, and I find it nearly impossible to distill an entire week's worth of events down into 20 minutes. But this is just about as realistic of a week in my life as I can realistically film for you guys. My name is Summer. I'm an artist, a farmer, a business lady, a dog mom, and so many other titles that are fairly meaningless. I currently live in Florida, and this is a little look into my life. A lot of what you typically don't see on camera are the hours that I spend on the farm, on the computer, on the phone, working on back-end things. It's not very exciting to film. And I also don't share some of the mental breakdowns that certainly happen on occasion.
Wasn't that a bonus? It's really close to here. 22.8 miles. How'd you know that? Do you Yahoo?
I really feel like I'm working like 4 jobs, and it's a lot. But right now I'm headed to the post office to pick up mail for the business. I'm gonna try and stop by a park for a little bit and play my ukulele, which is not something that I do typically, and I haven't played my uke in a long time, but I feel like I just want to unwind and make some space for that. And then I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Okay, bye. I am currently at the park. The post office was closed because apparently it is a holiday, unbeknownst to me. Yeah, I have to drive an hour to get to the post office, which I know sounds ridiculous, but I'm at the park now, and I'm going to attempt to play my ukulele. It is a little bit busy here, so I'm a little bit nervous, because that means I'm going to be playing somewhat publicly, but, you know, we're going to try and get out of my comfort zone and just do that, and let people hear me play the ukulele poorly and sing mediocrely, and just really relax for a little bit and forget about the fact that I have a really long to-do list and leave that as a problem for future summer to deal with. because I'm filming primarily the art and home side of my life, it probably seems a lot more relaxed and easygoing than it feels most days. The chaotic parts are often those that don't make it on camera. He's a good boy. Can I have your paw? Good boy. Can I have your other paw? Your other one? Other one. Can I have your other paw? Other paw. Yes. Good boy. You gotta drop it. Drop it. Good. Drop it. Yes. No. No. Down. Sit. Sit. Yes. Sit. Good boy. Go get it. This YouTube channel focuses primarily on my art, but realistically, the farm does take up a good chunk of my time. It's my partner's business that he started before we started dating, and it grew really quickly. It supports us financially, and I'm really grateful for that. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. If you want to support me, support us in that way, it is very helpful. You excited for food? Yay! Yay! Are you excited? Yay! For the sake of my partners and our employees' privacy, I don't film the farm side of my life. And I also just like to keep this channel focused on my own passion for art and psychology and spirituality. That is really where I want to pour my creative energy into, and so I do try to keep the channel focused around that. But realistically, the farm is a big part of my life. What a mess. I balance the hustle and bustle of running a business with what you see here, moments of peace, simplicity, and the mundane. I love my sweet little home life so much, though lately I have been craving more travel and adventure. I just want a shift in perspective and something that can break me out of my normal routine. As I watch these videos back though, I regret all of the moments that I wasn't present enough to realize just how beautiful this messy little life is just on its own. And I'm really grateful for the camera that followed me around, that allows me to relive these moments with a little more gratitude in my heart. I've spent way too much time wishing that things were different and wishing that I were somewhere else. This life is far from perfect, but it is mine, and it's filled with so much love and beauty and nourishment, and I really want to make it a point to acknowledge that and appreciate it on a regular basis. Lately, I've felt this guilt and shame around not being where I expected myself to be at this point in my life, at not having found financial success within my art practice, and feeling like I should be doing more in pretty much all areas of life. And this feeling of not enoughness has become really heavy. It's something that I'm trying to both accept and release at the same time. I appreciate the part of myself that wants to push me to do more and be better, but I don't want to put so much pressure on myself that it ends up crippling me. Acing all aspects of life has proven impossible, which is difficult for this former straight-A perfectionist student to accept. I want to be the best that I can be, never let anyone down, never miss a beat. I'm a recovering people pleaser, definitely. One of the most difficult things for me to come to terms with is that I was viewed as that person who was always on top of her game and never missed a beat when I was putting myself last. It seemed like when I was sacrificing my own dreams and passions to help others, I was a lot more impressive to those around me. That constant push to be everything to everyone, of course, got old. I burned out. I started to hold resentment. And I finally decided to figure out what I wanted from life. And when I finally started to pour my energy into things that I found a passion for, I no longer had enough energy to put in 110% at my job or in my relationships or keeping a tidy home and making 5-star meals. I had set the bar really high for myself, and as a result of pouring more energy into my art and passions, I started to disappoint myself and the people around me. And I've been carrying a lot of guilt and feeling selfish for the time that I spend painting and creating, feeling as though it's not as important as doing something that's perhaps more practical. And maybe it's not as important, I don't know. I'm still actively in the struggle. I wish I could say that it was always easy and effortless to create, but that wouldn't be the entire truth. I think that I can get myself into that flow, but starting definitely is not always effortless. So if you're someone who has been through similar emotions and experiences and made it through into a place of more clarity and ease, I would absolutely love for you to share your stories and perspectives in the comments. It might help me, it might help someone else. I know that I'm not alone in feeling this way, and I pray that we can use this platform as a way to walk each other home through the storm. And in the meantime, I will be continuing to practice gratitude for every messy, beautiful little moment of this very bizarre human experience, and of course, creating art through it all as much as I can. I'm sending so much love to all of you out there. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And I hope you are having a beautiful, beautiful day wherever you are and whatever you are doing. Bye.